Hey, if you clicked on this video, that means you're interested in one of these Bluetooth dongle scan tools. I will leave a link in the description below, but before you check that out, let me give you my honest review on my 3 months of using this tool out on a job. So right out of the box, you're going to notice the Bluetooth dongle is packaged very nicely. It also has an instruction book to show you how to set it up, which we're going to go over in the video, and a warranty card, which I'll also go over later in the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is scan this QR code with your camera on your phone. So you take and scan it, and then when a link pops up, click that link, and it'll bring you to the App Store where you can install the app. Once you have it installed, you can open the app, allow the Bluetooth notifications, agree to the terms, and then here is where you're going to log in. But since you're new, you're going to need to create an account to log in with. Once you're created your account, find your OBD port. Mine's behind this cover. And then go ahead and take your Bluetooth dongle and plug it into the OBD port. And you're going to notice that the green light is going to flash. That means you're connected. Turn your key to the on position. You can tap this button to download the vehicle models all in a batch, all at one time. This is the current status of your Bluetooth connection. You should see a little green check up there, which ours has. And then once you're fully connected, you can do auto VIN. I like to select auto VIN because it automatically loads everything. But you will run into this same problem I'm running, where it says you have to download the diagnostic software. And I recommend doing all of this at one time when you first get the app. But being that I just installed it on my phone, I'm going to have to download this now for the purpose of this video. Now that that's installed, we're going to wait for it to load, and it's reading my VIN. Going to hit confirm. You can tap to expand the button for more functions on the little 3 dots there. This is these buttons are helpful too. This can actually translate or correct the text on the page. And you tap the feedback button if you have any issues to report. I'm going to select my radio model and confirm my vehicle information. Now we're going to select auto scan and hit scan at the bottom, and we're going to wait for it to do the scan. It's scanning all of the control modules in the van. Now guys, I've been using this tool for probably 2 months now. This video has honestly been overdue, but I have to say it was worth making a full video about this tool, because for the price I was pretty impressed by everything it can do. Let me show you one of my favorite features I recently was able to use this tool for. I had a Chevy Silverado, and it had a issue when you put gas in a vehicle, it would cut the fuel nozzle off. And I was able to go in and test the entire evap system, and this is how I did it. I went to my PCM control module, said click that, and then I went in an active test. And here you have a bunch of tests you can actually do. I mean, they have the air condition compressor command state, so you can literally command the AC compressor on or off to see if the compressor is getting power. So that's really helpful. You got the EGR exhaust gas recirculation valve, step and motor position you can actuate, engine revolutions per minute, evap emission canister vent valve. That's the one I was talking about. There's another cool one. You can control your high and low speed of the engine fan. So if you want to test to see if the engine fan is still functioning at full strength, you can click it on low speed, and you can click it up to high speed to see if the fan's weak or if it's putting out like it needs to. You can test your fuel pump, your shifts, your firm shifts, you got gear command, your alternator voltage, your oxygen sensors, your injectors. I mean, the list goes on and on. It's very impressive for what it is, to be honest. Starter motor control output. Actually, I never used this one. Let's see what this one is. Press the cancel button if monitor live data is not needed. So let's confirm that. Oh, cool. And then here you go. Now you can see live data for whatever you want. So let's say, let's choose something here. Let's see. So let's do electronic throttle control, actual values, electronic throttle control desired, engine misfire currently detected. This is cool. And see, honestly, I was looking for this a couple weeks ago and I didn't think it had this option, so it's nice to see that it does. That's probably one of my favorite live data options is to have is misfires, because I get those often, and when you want to know what cylinder is misfiring, it's nice to be able to just click on this and know right away. So let's go with that. We're going to select those. So I'm going to hit OK. And it's actually going to tell us the starter motor control output. So if we had a bad starter situation and I'm trying to turn a key and it's saying that the output is detected on, but it's not starting, then that's probably due to a bad starter. So let me start the engine here. Right now the vehicle's running. The desired electronic throttle control desired is like 7 degrees, and that's exactly where my throttle is, so it's lining up perfectly where it should be, and there is no current engine misfires. So now let me turn this off and my key back on, and I can actually operate my starter motor control output manually. So I'm going to hit on.
And let's see, it's saying test aborted, not supported. Let's see why. Okay, so it's showing me actual values, but for some reason doesn't let me control it. So it could be because of a Ford thing, or I don't really know. But I can still see actual values. So me trying to do it with the key, I can see that it does switch to on. So still really awesome, cool feature there. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, you can tell just by looking at the screen here, it's got a lot to offer. This tool has a lot to offer. It's pretty awesome. You got data stream here. I really enjoy this tool, and it's nice because you can just Bluetooth it right up to your phone. Honestly, I'm only using my phone in this video so I can better share the screen with you guys. But I actually have mine linked up to my my tablet, which is an iPad, and that's what I take on the road with me when I'm diagnosing cars, because the screen's just bigger. But if you don't have that option, all you really need is your cell phone, and you can literally plug into your vehicle and do your own diagnosis. And it's really easy to do. As you saw, you just selecting the options and viewing what's going on. You know, it's showing you live data right in front of you. So while I'm waiting on this to load, another cool thing to mention, right out of the box you do get this warranty card. I haven't activated mine, to be honest, but they do give you the option to activate a warranty. It is, let's see, customers who purchase Topdon products to receive an additional 1-year extended warranty. So there you go. You can follow the steps on this card, and you can apply for a 1-year extended warranty. I haven't done that. I don't honestly think it's going to be necessary for me, but to each your own. And it comes with this, you know, very nicely set up instruction book that explains how to set this up. Like I said, once you get the app set up and downloaded on your phone, I would highly recommend that you download all of the vehicles that you think you're gonna need to be communicating with. So let's go back into our data stream here. We can see our air condition, clutch has no fault. This is everything for AC. We can see acceleration value of each cylinder. That's nice to have. The pedal position sensor, no fault there. So you can literally use data stream. Let's say I had an issue with a car that wasn't maybe accelerating properly. I can literally just go into data stream and go straight to accelerator pedal, and it would tell me if it has a fault or not. It would tell me the sensor's voltage for the accelerator pedal position sensor 1 and for sensor 2. So a lot of helpful information there. And at any time, if you have an issue with the software, there's a report button at the bottom of the screen here, and you can literally report exactly what's going on in the app. Read DTCs and clear DTCs, that's pretty self-explanatory. And then you have your ECU information, which is the serial number now of your control unit. And as you can see, guys, we did a full scan, and we're talking to pretty much every control unit that's in this van. And I've used this on a variety of different vehicles, and it works successful with every car I've come in contact with. I've worked on anything from American to Japanese vehicles and German vehicles as well. And this is really cool too. Being that this dongle is Bluetooth, it's very easy to probably leave it in the car. So we're gonna back out of the menu and watch what it does. Watch what it does for you. You heard that? it says remember to remove your VCI from vehicle's OBD2 connector. So you hit confirm, and then you're going to go ahead and pull this guy right out of its place, just like that. Turn the vehicle off, and we are finished. So guys, check this tool out. If it wasn't worth having, I wouldn't have spent my time making this video on it. It's really a nice tool. You really can't beat it for under $100 either. I have an Autel scanner that I spent probably $700 on, and I'm telling you, this little dongle tool, this little Bluetooth scanner, it does pretty much everything my Autel scanner does. I haven't even used my Autel scanner since I got this tool, because I like it that much. So I highly recommend the Topscan scanner by Topdon. It's a really nice addition to my van and my mobile business. If you're a mobile mechanic or just a do-it-yourselfer, then you need this tool in your garage or in your toolbox, because I'm telling you, you'll appreciate it. But here it is again, the Topscan scan tool by Topdon. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get this tool for yourself, and let me know in comments what you think about it. I'm gonna make some more reviews coming up in the future on some other tools, hopefully by the same company, maybe by some other companies. You know, if I think the tool's worthy of a video and telling you guys about, I'm definitely gonna keep y'all guys in the loop. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you found value in this video. Please hit that like button for me to help my channel grow, and I will see you guys next time.